So here I'm going to explain you why we are a best option in the market. So there are a lot of wall-mounted bed mechanisms are available in the market, but when it comes to safety, we are the best options. The reason, a lot of carpenters uses this EPCO leg to fix it onto the bed. But if you look at closely, so this one is fitting with only 4 quarter-inch screws. And if you look at the flimsiness of this leg, assume there are 2 full-grown adults who are sleeping on the bed, and if they have this kind of flimsiness onto the leg part, you can imagine the safety issues there. And another option is this. So this one, we basically use it for a table brackets. So a lot of people, what they do is they fix a vertical panel on this and they use this plank as a leg, which is not at all safe. When it comes to our mechanism, we use a 6 mm thick MS steel leg. It has a double locking mechanism and both the legs are connected internally, which helps in weight distribution across the bed. Choice is yours, choose wisely.